So my name's Damien. I started when I was 15. I wanted to get out of school, so my old man said I had to get a trade. So I went down to the local shop and started my apprenticeship, and that's how I got into the trade. I'm a panel beater, yep. At Novatech Autobody Repairs. Probably completing like a big job, you know, taking a car from being damaged and putting it back on the road. It's a pretty good thing to do. Yeah. I'm not too sure. Not really anything, no. I have a good time doing it. So probably the boss, Nova. He's taught me a lot and everything that I know, so shout out to him.
Cool.
First car was a 1992 Toyota Hilux. Current car is a 1990 Toyota Hilux. And dream car is probably a 79 Land Cruiser, I'd say.